In today's video, we will know about what is HTML and what its purpose in web development. We know that HTML is a hypertext markup language. Is the standard language used to create a structure of web page. It serves as the backbone of all websites, providing the framework that organizes and presents contents on the web. HTML uses a system of tags and elements to define the structure and layout of pages, including heading, paragraphs, images, links, and lists. The main purpose of HTML is to arrange content in a hierarchical structure which browsers can interpret to render the content in a visual format. HTML is not a programming language but a markup language that tells the browser how to display text, images, multimedia, and forms. By defining different elements such as header, nav, article, and format, HTML ensures that web pages are accessible and properly organized for both user and search engines. Thank you.